Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to decide on a profitable book idea. Now, this is going to make or break your business moving forward because it's nothing worse than trying to write an ebook or trying to launch a digital product that nobody cares about. Okay. So it's really, really important that before you even start writing a book, and regardless of how passionate you are about a book, you need to do some research to ensure that people are actually out here on the internet searching for that information that you are trying to write a book around. Because if nobody is out here searching for that information on your topic, nobody is going to purchase your ebook, okay, or your digital product, your planners, your templates. But in this course, we're going to be talking specifically about ebooks. It's a very similar strategy with anything that you want to create, be it a planner, be it a course, be it a membership program. This is a similar strategy. So it's really, really important that we undertake some research prior to even spending that time to create your digital products or your ebooks. Okay, so let me show you guys a very easy way to undertake some really basic research to ensure that people are in fact interested in the digital product that you are trying to create. So now you have an idea in terms of what you want to write about. Let's talk about the easiest way to undertake some research to ensure that there's actually a demand for this product in the market. So the tool you want to be using is called the Google Keyword Planner. So just go to Google right now and just type in Google Keyword Planner, okay? Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on that first one right there. So it's going to be the ads.google.com link, okay? And then we just go to visit keyword planner. Now, if you already have a Gmail account, it's going to take you to this page. But if you don't already have a Gmail account, it's going to prompt you to actually register for an account. So I'm currently logged into my Gmail account. So I'm just going to go to visit keyword planner. Okay, awesome. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on this discover new keyword section here, okay? And then you want to type in the keywords. I'm just going to change that from my location, which is United Kingdom. I'll just X that, okay, to leave it as worldwide because we're trying to target as many people in the world as possible. Remember, you are creating a digital product. So this means that you can sell this product to anybody out there in the world who has access to the internet. This is not a physical product where you have to ship to, certain locations, and then there's restrictions in terms of other locations that you can ship to. With a digital product, as long as they have access to the internet, you can sell your digital product. So let's leave this as all locations. Now, what Google is going to do is going to tell us how many times that keyword is being searched every single month worldwide. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, for example, I've decided that I'm going to be writing an ebook on the topic of raw food diet for dogs. Okay, so let's go and type in raw food diet for dogs, and sometimes your exact keywords are not going to come up, so you can play around with the words a little bit. So it could be raw food for dogs, diet for dogs, healthy diet for dogs, and then Google is going to bring up some recommendations as well. And the beauty about the strategy is the fact that you are going to see other recommendations that are probably even better than what you wanted to write before. So if you just click on get results, okay, now, as you can see, what Google has basically produced here is a result of the average monthly searches. Okay, so this is basically the number of times that this keyword is being searched for every single month on Google. Now, would you agree with me that if people are searching for this keyword 10,000 to 100,000 times every single month, it indicates a high demand in that keyword? So if I was to go ahead and actually write a book, right, based on a topic that people are already searching for, would you agree with me that it's a high chance that I can make a ton of money selling this book, right? So one big mistake that I see so many people make is they go out there and they write amazing books, but there's nobody out there actually searching for that product in the market, right? So you want to make sure that there is actually a demand for that product before you go out there to write it. Google is the largest search engine in the world. So the best place to find that data is to go to the search platform and see what people are already searching for. Google is telling us this is the data right now. This is not, guesswork. This is what is actually happening right now. And if you just sort by average monthly searches, if you just click there, then you can see that raw food diet for dogs is actually being searched the most, okay? Raw food diet, you can see other recommendations, raw dog food, raw diet for dogs. You can see other recommendations, raw dog food near me, raw feedings, Bella and Duke, raw food diet. So these are other recommendations, raw meat diet for dogs. That's even more specific if you wanted to write a book just around meat diets for dogs, right? So it's a raw food diet, but for, meat dog lovers or whatever the case may be. Raw food dog food, raw food. So you can see there's a lot feeding raw food to dogs. There's a lot of recommendations coming up, guys. And raw egg, dog food. So many recommendations are coming up. So there's definitely a demand for this keyword. So if I were to write a book around raw food diet for dogs, there's a high chance that this product is going to sell like hotcakes because people are already searching for this product. Now imagine that there was a dog owner out here on the internet searching for raw food diet recipes for their dog. Would you agree with me that they're most likely going to want to purchase that ebook that already has a bunch of all these recipes in one place? Right? So this is what we are going to be doing. We're going to be writing a book around raw food diet for dogs. So Google is telling us that there's definitely demand, 10K to 100K. Now, I'll always recommend that you go with keywords that have at least 1K to 10K a month. Okay, that's a good range. If it's anything below 1K, so if it's like 100 to 1K, then I wouldn't really want to use those keywords as my ebook title because it just means there's not a lot of demand. Now, remember, guys, this is free traffic. Okay, free traffic that you could potentially be getting to your ebooks if you do things right, of course. Okay. So awesome. Now we have an idea in terms of, what the ebook topic is going to be all about. Let's go ahead and start writing this book. Okay.